And if you look ever so closely, you can see Space Mountain from our room.
We are checked into the Grand Floridian. That was a little bit of planes, trains, and automobiles. We were at the Fantasia mini golf, and then we were trying to get here. I couldn't get the Lyft app to work so I could get a car seat. We walked to the Swan and Dolphin, the Swan, I think, and then we took a bus to the Magic Kingdom, and we were gonna take the boat to the Grand Floridian, and the boat was down, so we had to take the monorail all the way around. Check-in took forever, but we're here. We have a dinner reservation at Cinderella's Royal Table in about 17 minutes. So they do give you like a 15-minute grace period. So let's see how fast we can get there. There's the castle. You can hear the train, which is awesome. And our room is right up there somewhere. I'll figure it out. So we are right next to the main building, which is nice because it's just a few minute walk to get on the monorail. The grounds here are really, really pretty. We are very, very fortunate. We have stayed at the Hotel del Coronado, and now we are staying here. When we were coming on the monorail, getting here, somebody was getting married, and they were like in the carriage. It was pretty cool. And you can see the Polynesian over there. And we are here. That was a quick monorail trip. So I know this sounds super crazy, but it doesn't matter how many times I walk under that bridge, I still get excited to get to the Magic Kingdom. This by far is my favorite park. I could come here every day. I could come here every day, no problem. And at the holidays, it's just even more special. It's decorated for Halloween, and we are coming to the Halloween party tomorrow night. It wasn't really until we went to Disneyland earlier this year that I realized how big this castle is and how small Sleeping Beauty's castle is. So we're inside Cinderella's Royal Hall or whatever, and this is where Cinderella meets, and tonight is Prince Charming. But this, right here, let's see if you can see. It's a little mice. It's Gus, and I can't remember the other guy's name.
Lords and ladies of the castle, please raise your hands when your last name is called, and I'll bring our invitation to you.
It's on video.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, where's Zachary? Oh, there he is.
I think the ambiance in here is just amazing. And all the flags. And then we got a little wand. And Zachary got a sword. And so this is the menu. And then you get a soup, an entree, and a dessert. So I think the soup of the day is a beef barley, so I'm gonna have that. Then I'm gonna have the beef and shrimp. And I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna have for dessert.
Princess.
Sherry.
Happy birthday to
Thank you.
Welcome.
Peter Pan. We actually had, which I don't know if I talked about, our like bad experience with our little test track toy. And they gave us what's called a no strings attached form, and it actually was a fast pass for this ride, Peter Pan, because we had such a bad experience with this toy. So we got to come on Peter Pan and get a fast pass essentially when it's a 50-minute wait.
There's Tink! Look! Hi, Tinkerbell! Hi, Tinkerbell! Hey, what's that Ariel over there? Oh, it looks like Ariel, doesn't it? Oh! Long boy! Hi, look at those pirates! There's Peter Pan and Captain Hook! Oh, and there's Tinkerbell!
Help me! Help me! Mr. Smee, help me! I'm coming.
Then exit to the right onto the wooden belt and watch your step.
Now we are headed over to the adventures of Winnie the Pooh. We have a multiple experience fast pass, which I think that it works for, so let's see. This is our honey pot. Oh, that's not our honey pot. Here comes our honey pot. Thank you.
On the neighborhood, the east wind traded places with west wind. Ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Mommy! What do you mean? Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Come bounce with me. I'll make you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me. We're ready to swing. I'll bounce right out of your ride. Feel honey. Feel honey.
They love it because they got the love of it. Rise!
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape